Hello. Today I'm going to be giving myself large box braids. So initially I thought I was going to do this as a tutorial. So you'll see me talking a lot, but I'm just going to speed through most of it and kind of talk through some of the things that I'm doing. So first, I'm just starting with parting my hair, pretty simple stuff. I assumed I can get maybe 6 braids out of each pack. Braids sectioned around my bathroom. So we're just gonna get started. I'm just prepping each section with like edge control. It's actually like a lock booster gel or whatever. But I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys just watch. For this braid and pretty much all of them at the top of my head, I am adding in extra hair. So what I'm showing right now is just me braiding the hair down and then measuring the added hair to see when to add the hair so that it's the right length, or the length that I want, as long as the other one, you know? I have sectioned all of my parts here and loosely twisted them so that when I go through and braid them up, it doesn't take too long. And I decided that using the whole length of the hair is obnoxious. And I can add hair in to the length that I want and have it be relatively seamless. So this is the final look that I got after dipping the ends and adding some mousse. I hope y'all like it. I liked it. I thought it was cute. It's not perfect, but you know, we're practicing. We're getting better. So thank you all for watching, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.